and they'll send you like the instructions and everything. But I do need something. It will help a lot if I can use some. If you can give me some of your products, like the products you made before, and I will use it just to attract employers for my company.
Okay. Can
Is
you
that okay?
okay? Can you write a brief? Can you write a short description about your requirement?
Recruitment. Oh, okay. I made one already. So I think I sent you one already about like what I look for when I hire new employees. So I'll resend it. It's fine.
BBA graphics designer,
It's,
master
I
degree.
sent it.
I maybe already got that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So that's what I look
Maybe
for. Like
send me before.
that's the main requirement.
Graphics design for master degree. Okay, minimum 4 years graphics designer option. A portfolio of previous work knowledge. Okay, okay, okay. That's perfect. That's perfect. Um, no problem.
So do you hire like when you hire people? What's their qualification usually? Like what's
Actually,
the minimum qualification you accept?
actually, basically, I'm a graphics designer and I'm an expert in other suite. So don't worry about that. But I just handle only client. I have a team. They work on my project
Yeah,
actually. I have
but
a
you only talk to you only make the talk like you talk only with them, make agreements and stuff like this only.
we can talk about
They do all
agreement.
the work, like they do all the work for you, and like kind of like how I do it.
Okay, can you give me an idea about how many project you have per month?
That will depends on like how many jobs I get. So for example, I already have like a team that's working on finding jobs, full-time jobs for me, for my company, let's say. And I just like will start the day after tomorrow because there's like some logos missing and some things that's missing. So after that, it will depend like on the if like my goal is to get 20 jobs full time,
Okay.
and they but I would just do like copy pasting. Like for example, they send 3 more jobs, they just send something, and they say on this logo, for example, I send it to you with the requirement and description and everything, and you just do it and you send it back to me. Kind of like that's like the plan. The more
Okay.
jobs I get, basically, the more you will get work and the more you will get paid.
We can see 1 month first. Then we can decide full time or part time. I think it will be better both for us. What do you think?
Yeah, sure, we can try 1 month.
Yes.
The pay could be like every 2 weeks.
Okay.
But right now, like my main goal right now is to find jobs, full-time jobs for my company. I haven't applied yet, but my goal is to apply for like a lot to get like at least 20 jobs full-time, and this will make like a lot of profit if I
Okay.
can do that. Do you think it's possible for like if I have like a team of developers now applying for full-time jobs, do you think it's possible to get like uh, 20 jobs in the USA or
Uh,
Canada?
Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 no problem.
It's possible.
Sorry.
Okay, I'll explain it. So basically, I have a team, recruitment teams that they hire employee, like they find jobs for companies or employees
Okay,
that are seeking jobs. So I pay them money to apply for jobs, basically.
okay,
So they basically do the applying for me, and they take care of resume, cover letter, everything. And yeah, but I haven't done that yet, but that's my plan. But I just wanted to tell you the plan to take your opinion about it, and your feedback. Yeah, sure, sure. I can give you some time to think about it.
okay. I have to talk with my. I have to discuss with my team. Okay,
Okay.
then I can respond to you.
So how big is your team?
Sorry.
How big is your team? How many employees do you have? And okay, how many employees do you have in your
Okay.
company?
I have 50 plus members in my team. Okay.
All of them for graphic
They're
design.
all are graphics designer, Android application developer, web developer, programmer. Uh, there are around four department in my team.
Oh, I see. That's very good. How many graphic designers do you have in your team?
I have already it's around um, 38 graphics designer in my team. 38.
13. Very good.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So when I send a project for you to you, how long does it take usually to finish it? How
Okay.
long does it take for you to finish it?
It will take 4 5 hours maximum.
Oh,
Yes.
very good. So I can send like many projects per day.
No problem. No problem. No problem. Don't worry about
So I think $20, 20 projects per day, like, and you'll finish them in 3 days, no problem.
per day.
Okay. So I can
I-
send 20, whatever,
so you can send us no problem.
as much as I want. Okay. All right. Thank you for the meeting, and I'm glad I got to know you, and
Thank you.
I'll connect with you like soon. As soon as I get a job, I will. You'll be the one.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have
Okay.
a nice day.
Okay. You just knock me when you need. Okay. I'm always here for you.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you so much.